Imagine creating a full PowerPoint presentation in seconds. No designing, no formatting, no stress. Today, I'm going to show you AiPPT.com, an AI tool used by over 20 million people worldwide that can turn your ideas into stunning slides instantly. It's an AI-powered presentation tool that creates professional slides for you in just seconds. And compared to other tools, it gives you more slides, more templates, and all at a very affordable price. AiPPT.com is perfect for students, teachers, business professionals, content creators. Basically, anyone who wants to save time and still create high-quality presentations. To get started, it's super easy. Just sign up on AiPPT.com using your Google, Facebook, Apple, Microsoft account, or simply your email address. Once you're inside, this is the main dashboard of AiPPT.com. At the top center, you'll find all the core features. Create from topic, dynamic slide generation, import document, paste text or Markdown, import from URL, and templates. Now let's dive in and see how it actually works. First, I'm going to create a presentation using the Create from Topic feature. Just click on it and you'll see two options: Standard Mode and Nano Banana Mode. Since Nano Banana Mode is the latest and more advanced option for creating dynamic and visually stunning presentations, I'll go with that. Now, all you have to do is enter your topic. For example, I'll type Impact of Social Media on Society. You can also upload reference files like PDFs, documents, or text if you want more detailed slides. Next, choose your AI model. There are multiple options available. I'll go with OpenAI GPT 4.1 Mini. After that, select the number of slides. I'll choose 10 slides. You can also pick your preferred language. I'll keep it in English. Once everything is set, just click Enter, and the AI will start generating the outline for your presentation. As you can see, the outline is now ready. You can even switch models at this stage if you want. I'll change it to Nano Banana 2 for even better results. From here, just click on Generate, and within a few moments, your slides will be created. And there you go. The slides are ready. Let's take a look. Wow, these slides look absolutely stunning, with clean layouts and attractive visuals. As you can see, the slides are clean, professional, and well-structured. The AI automatically organizes the content into clear sections with proper headings and concise bullet points. The design is modern, with matching themes, balanced colors, and high-quality images that make the presentation visually appealing. And the best part? Everything is fully editable, so you can easily customize it to match your style. Add text with headings and captions, insert shapes like rectangles, arrows, or formulas, and even add images. There's an AI image feature too. Just type a prompt, and it will generate images for your slides. Or you can upload your own images from your gallery. And once you're happy with your presentation, you can download it as a PDF, PPT, or PNG, or simply share it directly. Now let's create slides by importing a document. Just click on Import Document. Here, you can upload files in multiple formats like Word, PDF, text, Xmind, or MMD. You can even import directly from Google Drive. As you can see, I've uploaded a PDF file, and AiPPT has already started analyzing the content. And as you can see, it has fetched all the content from the document, organizing it into clear sections and chapters automatically. You can also customize things like the image source and AI model. I'll switch to Nano Banana 2 for better visuals. Next, choose a theme. There are plenty of options, and you can filter them by style or scenario. Since my document is about obesity, I'll select the medical category and pick this theme. Now just click on Generate PPT, and within a few minutes, the slides are ready. And honestly, the results look amazing. Everything is beautifully structured, with all the key content from the document turned into clean, professional slides. From here, you can also easily edit your slides, download them in different formats, or share them with others. Now, let's try another feature: Paste Text or Markdown. Simply paste your text or Markdown here. If you have plain text, you can even convert it into Markdown using other AI tools. I've added my Markdown text. Now hit Enter, and it instantly creates an outline and even a mind map. Select a theme, click Generate PPT, and your presentation is ready in minutes. Each slide is neatly organized and matches the content perfectly. Finally, let's check out import from URL. Just paste any web page link and AiPPT.com will instantly extract all the content. After selecting the model, image source, and theme, click Generate PPT. And there it is, fully structured, visually appealing slides generated directly from a website. Pretty impressive! So that's how you can create stunning presentations in minutes using AiPPT. Whether you're starting from a topic, a document, text, or even a URL, this tool makes the entire process fast and effortless. What really makes AiPPT.com stand out is the Nano Banana model. Compared to standard models, it produces far more dynamic layouts, stronger visual hierarchy, and much more polished slide design. In real-world use, it performs noticeably better. Your presentations don't just look AI-generated, they look professionally designed, with clean structure, better spacing, and more engaging visuals. This makes Nano Banana especially powerful for business presentations, academic work, and content creation where visual quality really matters. Now, let's take a look at the plans and pricing of AiPPT.com. Right now, there's a limited time discount of up to 45% off on yearly plans, making it much more affordable than usual. The Plus plan is designed for essential AI creation needs, and it starts at around $0.9 per month, or about $10.8 billed annually. Then there's the Pro plan, which unlocks advanced features and unlimited usage. It's currently 45% off, costing around $12 per year, which is extremely budget-friendly compared to other AI presentation tools on the market. Overall, it offers a lot of value for the price, especially if you're regularly creating presentations. On top of that, AiPPT.com also has mobile apps now available. You can scan the QR code to download it on iOS via the Apple App Store or on Android via Google Play Store, making it easy to create presentations anytime, anywhere. If you want to save time and create professional slides without the hassle, definitely give AiPPT.com a try. Check the link in the description to get started. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.